Fam, as you know, we bought our dream truck.
I'm just proud of us.
I'm proud of us too.
It's crazy because there's a chance that we might be losing it.
Dog! Big ARTT is dogged right now. Basement probably about to flood.
The reason we even got the truck was to really make our life and work easier.
And now, seem like we about to be right back in the same loop. Big ARTT that met his match. Oh, heck no. Oh, no. I'm about to be sorry. Man, my paint about to be dog. Hey, this might be dangerous than I think it is. I can't even get out and run. I'm gonna get cracked in the head. Dang. Man, it's some big old, oh my God. This big deal, I can't even talk, it's super loud in here. Get in the back. Dang, it's loud as heck. Man, this sound like the worst sounding popcorn ever. Man, I hope this boy ain't dog. Man, I got my feet up. Windshield blow in or something like that. I'm ready to jump in the back seat. I had to close the dang on sunroof just in case the glass shutter. This is crazy. Trying to do our taxes in peace, that's it. I did not know it was about to do this, so I would have went in the house. Man, shit, here it come again. Oh my God, broke the windshield. Oh, shit. Bro, the ice just came in here. This is crazy. Oh my God, it broke my mirror. This is crazy. Ray in the house, I need to call her. Oh my God, of course the phone will be out here. This just really cracked our windshield, and I know the paint and stuff is probably dog. This is probably a whole insurance claim. This is crazy. I'm scared to open this up. Dang, is this my chance to run in the house? This really just broke the windshield though. Dang, that is crazy. Crazy. Man, oh my God, it's like a flash flood out this boy. Oh, snaps. Look at that. Man, the kids literally was just out here playing on their bikes. It was just normal. Look at the fall coming up off the ground. Man, this dude doing. This is crazy. This like a mudslide. Bruh, why the fuck the windshield broke?
The windshield
Yes. This shit is crazy. Look, it fucking broke all this shit on the side of the truck. No, like the trim, all this shit broke. You see this street? You see this? It's like a flood in the street. It wasn't no alert. This is crazy. This is crazy. This stuff big as heck. This is golf ball size hell. Man, I was scared the dang on roof was about to cave in. I had to close the thing so it won't shatter on me. Shoot, I was scared to get out the truck. This is crazy. Look how big old ice balls. Damn.
What?
This bitch dogged.
What?
Your mama car is dogged. That is crazy. Babe, look, it's hail damage all over there. This boy about to be total just like our truck.
Alright, can we buy it?
That's crazy. I think it's over.
I don't know. What's that? Look at all that.
Damn, windshield dog.
Daddy, I've never seen nothing like that.
Me either.
We need to see what is going on with the weather. Like, do we need to be in the basement?
I wonder is the basement probably about to flood. Shoot. I didn't even know we had stuff like this.
Come on, y'all. Let's go probably put stuff in the bed.
That's crazy, man. Yes, it's cracked. Our hood dogged. Ice everywhere. Look at that. This is crazy, man. If we would have got a warning or something, I ain't gonna lie, I would have pulled in the garage. This is crazy, man.
Oh, can you please just get inside already?
We are in a hailstorm. I just came in the backyard. Oh, the ice done turned this spigot on right here. I just turned that off. It's starting to rain again. It's probably gonna hail again. I need to get back under here. But just look at this. Ice everywhere. Ice in the trampoline. Ice literally everywhere, though. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but big ARTT is dogged right now. I need to hurry up before it starts hailing again. It stink out here too, man. I don't know what they did. Look at Mama T car. Dogged. Windshield cracked. This dog, this dents all over the car, y'all. Crazy. Amazon still out here delivering. Can't even see. Big ARTT is dogged. There's dents all over the hood. Windshield cracked. I think the moonroof is cool, but I ain't opening nothing. The trim is broke. Crazy, man. Like, this is crazy. We called a family member on the other side of the town, and they cool. Like, they said there ain't no storm that came. So it's like, it only hit this area. This is weird. And then looking at the house, look what it did to the house. Side and cracked. Shutters cracked. Window broke. This is crazy. Crazy thing about it too, fam, we gotta go check on our other properties. Cause we gotta see what type of damage it did to that. Like, them insurance claims. Like, nah, I feel like I'm about to just hurry up, call the insurance company and get this stuff out the way. It smells so bad. Man, it smells bad out here. It smell like mold or something, I don't know. But stay tuned, we hear sirens, alarms. Look, it's getting super foggy. You can't see out here. Can't see. This is crazy, man. I just so happened to be in the truck doing the taxes. The kids was riding their bikes. They end up going in the house. Literally, the rain picked up a little bit out and rolled up the windows. Still doing the taxes and out of nowhere. Like, it just started hailing. Like, little hailing. I'm like, what the heck? It's hailing? And then after that, it's just like, it started getting super loud in the truck. Like, dang, their ears was about to dang on blow. Like, I literally had to close my ears shut. And then I just seen the bigger hail balls start falling. And that's when it cracked the windshield and did the most. So I'm actually about to call an insurance company right now. It's sirens going on. This is like something out of a movie. This is crazy. So we about to see. I guess we got to call them and see what's gonna be the next thing to do. We're gonna keep you all updated though, fam. This is crazy. This how much feel. Like, you would think it just snowed or something.
Now, how you gonna ride in the street?
How you gonna ride in the street? You still worry about riding your bike, huh? You learn how to ride your bike now. You trying to ride it all day long. Junior want to know how he gonna ride in the street after all these ice balls and stuff is out here. Man, this is actually really crazy, y'all. Hopefully our properties ain't damaged too bad. Well, the properties that we have on this side of town is brick, so that's cool. We just got our new roof, so hopefully that held up. I need to call an insurance company though. We're gonna check these windows and stuff in here. We need to check the basement, make sure it ain't flooding. Ray just realized that she must ain't hear me, but just realized that the truck is dented and damaged from the hail. And now we have a thunderstorm warning. The fog literally just disappeared. So Ava is jumping with the hail. So we got to document a lot of stuff for insurance purposes. We have to go hop in big Arctic and ride around and check on our rental properties. Yeah, this stuff sucks. Let's actually start him up. Show all our lights working. Look at that, tail light gone. I wonder if the brakes work. And then this is the other vehicle, y'all. So this one is bad. The fog already didn't calm down, but it started hitting the car. So look at that. That's ridiculous. Windshield beyond cracked. This is crazy. All over. And same thing with Arctic too. It's like all over the sides, the doors. Yeah, the blinker worked. Nope, brake light out. As long as the blinker work. Now we gotta ride this boy raggedy, man. This sucks. What about the reverse lights? Okay, reverse lights, blinker good. It's just the brake light out. So luckily, Mama T Bronco, she wasn't here. So luckily her truck was able to be saved. But this is crazy. So we out of a light. Now we about to be riding like we just raggedy out here. Man, look, we got all these broken pieces. I don't know what that is. Like all this crap is just damaged. I don't even know what this go to. Look at that. Like, should I rip this off or should I just leave this? It's gonna fall off though. It's gonna be hanging. Now we riding something raggedy. Yes, the front lights are still working. This suck, man. I wasn't even able to ride this baby. Use all the features yet. Well, let's go out and let's go look around. I was so happy that this thing didn't shatter.
I mean, look at all of the fog, man. It's so crazy the way it even went down. The kids were literally just riding their bikes.
And I was just in the truck chilling, doing the taxi.
Yes, and I was just in the truck chilling, going through receipts so
Right.
he can add them to the taxes. Then I decided, you know what? The kids said they hungry. Let me go ahead in the house and get us all some food. Of course, I decided to leave my phone. And then out of nowhere, I just start hearing a bunch of glass break, a bunch of stuff just hitting everywhere. Then the kids are just crying. And I'm looking for my phone because I'm like, oh my goodness, let me call Ty. Because I was trying to figure out like, okay, like how could we help him at least get in the house? Because I felt like the house was probably the safest. But the kids were like crying. And I'm like, okay, how do we even take shelter? Because we really don't even know what's going on out there. And we were just like, okay, let's stay away from the windows. We were like, okay, maybe we should go into the basement. It was just a crazy experience. I think it makes it even more intense when you have the kids being scared and crying, and then you're trying to think straight because you've never been in that situation before, on top of being worried like what's going on with him. And I don't know, it was just crazy. All I know is I remember just taking a bunch of deep breaths. That is for sure, because it's amazing how you can really just not know what's going on.
Right.
We didn't get any alerts, like any weather warnings. So that just goes to show you, I mean, hey, Mother Nature
turns in a split of a second.
Yeah, she gonna do what she gonna do.
Man.
Because it was literally family members saying like, oh, dang, that's what y'all experiencing? Oh, we're cool over here.
Right.
We don't
Ain't
see
had
that.
nothing.
We're
I'm
not
like,
having that issue.
Ain't no way.
Yeah.
If you can one time to help us go a long way, just hit the like button on this video. Hit the hype button too.
I feel so grateful that it was material things that got damaged. Now we got to deal with the insurance and figuring out whether they're going to total it, or even if they do try to end up fixing it, it's like, do we even want it?
Man.
I don't know, fam.
If you got any tips, drop it in the comment section below, or just some good thoughts to keep our spirits up.
To be honest, it is a very weird feeling because we finally stepped out there and got what we really wanted and what we still deserve. We just decided to step out and go for big artists, sign on the dotted line, and boom. I don't know, it's a little weird.
But we know at the end of the day, it is just a truck. And y'all know we named it Big Arctic just because it's big icy white. And for it to be getting taken out by some big icy white storms, it's pretty crazy. Now I feel like we riding the old truck, even though it's still 100% better, but it's like, dang, Gotta ride raggedy again. Missing lights. Dimples all everywhere.
It's bittersweet because it kind of make it feel like it's not new anymore.
Right.
So it'll be interesting to see what they end up saying.
Even though it is what it is, it ain't nothing that we can control. And hey, we paying for insurance for a reason.
They basically asked us for a quote for insurance. They didn't even ask us like for proof. So
Right.
imagine if we wouldn't have went through and got that insurance.
Right. And we
Man,
was
that
buying the
would have
truck.
been crazy.
Say things be happening for a reason, so
Right.
I'm pretty sure there's gonna be something positive to come out the backside of this for sure.
Yes, one thing learned for sure is make sure your insurance is in place unless you
That's
have
it.
your own insurance funds in your account.
Mm-hmm.
And shoot, I feel like we could even learn different strategies to make sure we're protected, because even the way Ty had to be in there, I was just thinking like, what if you would have even laid the seats down so your head could have been covered if the glass did come in?
Right, I was thinking about that. Like,
Yeah.
put the seat back and get behind the seat.
And if y'all have any tips, because of course we plan to get our RV and all that, and we need to take it serious to pay attention to certain weather channels and paying attention to different techniques, like if we are caught in a random situation like that, because we didn't have any form of connection. We didn't know what was going on with either of us. Like I didn't know what was happening out there. He didn't know what was happening inside. So that was like, whoa, that was eye-opening, because I tend to leave my phone. I'm not gonna lie, now I try to make sure I grab my phone even if I'm going to the bathroom. I usually don't care if I grab it or not, but just for instances like that, I try to grab it. I don't know, it's just interesting, fam.
Yeah, but we gonna see.
Right, come along for the journey.
Yep,
Per usual, fam. Shoot, we appreciate y'all rolling and rocking.
We definitely appreciate y'all. We're gonna catch y'all Sunday and probably gonna be talking about this topic, catch some of y'all feedback, and just catch up with y'all.